Hey everyone, in this video I wanted to demonstrate to you how I added a little motion to my illustration from Procreate using Core Animator. Now this is not a tutorial, but I thought I'd share some tips with you and give you a little idea so that you can add some motion to your illustrations. I hope you enjoy watching. What's interesting about this video too is that this is the only time I've seen Procreate fail me, and I lost the data for the face of my character in my painting, so you can look out for that. An important reminder when making this sort of animation is to layer all the elements in it so that you're able to move them independently when you ship them to Core Animator. So right about here, I lost all the data for my character's face. That's the first time Procreate ever failed me. So you can see me try to recover it by painting it all over again. It was a good thing that it wasn't a serious project. I was just using maybe 3 brushes to do this, and just to familiarize myself a little more with Procreate and try to make something that I could animate. So as you'll see shortly, once I was done painting, I exported each layer as an individual PNG file with transparent backgrounds, so I could import it into Core Animator as separate layers and then move them around using the motion tweening and achieve the special effect that I was looking for. So there you have it, another option for you to add some motion to your illustrations. So I hope you enjoy watching, and please comment, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.